In the last video, I cut out the floor and added a little bracing. Here I am making some patterns for some sheet metal for the inside. Hopefully everything goes well. One down, one to go. Did a little bit of bead rolling and well, it's coming along. I don't know, see for yourself. We got two floor pans down now and a little side thingy and over the wheel, the axle area. It's coming along nicely. A little before and after picture of the side panels just under the hood on the 38 Ford Coupe. Off to the back of the vehicle again. I have some sedan fenders off a 38 four-door. Apparently the four-door and the coupe are different, but you got to use what you got. So here I am keeping it straight, kind of a wooden jig. Can anyone spot the problem here? Great big gap. Not sure how we're gonna fill this in. Maybe a little Bondo. So yeah, gotta make a pattern. There's a gap on the other side as well, just for your information. Kind of a tricky pattern to make, but thank gosh for magnets. Whoops, squirrel, got sidetracked. Back to the 38, I guess. Here's the sheet metal just tacked in for those gaps on those rear fenders. Another shot. I gotta get rid of some old lead there too. That was an interesting few days trying to get that to fit, so they look somewhat symmetrical and balanced. Pretty close to what I was after. I would like it a little bit lower, but I think I can live with it. The old grill's starting to come together, just working on some of the gaps and just making sure I got as many parts as I got. Another side view. Pay no attention to my grills on the wall, please. All right, folks, that's it for now. We'll get back to it soon, as long as there's no squirrels. Have a nice day.